all the way to Texas in the U.S. Breaking Championships. I believe, is it Riverflow that's a silver gold medalist? Oh, you said, wait, chill. He's like, I'm his brother, bro, chill. GoKaito, don't yell at me, bro, I get nervous. So, one round each, guys. The two of the last crews of the night. Let's go. Who wants it? GoKaito wants it. Watch him. Uh-oh. Showtime. Baby windmills. Headspin. Freeze. Nice and clean. Nice, GoKaito. Ooh, I seen that. Both ways. Want to get into this crew. I want to be a part of this. I could have jumped under and him on top. I don't know. I'm just thinking. Let's go. Static. Snickers. Doodles. Oh, he's wrapping them up. Oh, threading. Style. That's what it is. Hold it. Oh, other side. Give it up, give it up. Jesus. That was real nice competition. Ladies and gentlemen, we're just getting started here. Judges, on the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. There it is, y'all. Go Flow takes it.